Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Looker Studio Community Connectors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Looker Studio Community Connectors, start by opening Looker Studio in your web browser. Sign in to your Looker Studio account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Create. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. In the Data Source options, look for the Community Connectors section. Click on Explore More Connectors to view available community connectors. Browse through the list of connectors to find one that meets your needs. After selecting your desired community connector, click on it to proceed. You will be directed to a setup page specific to that connector. Follow the prompts to configure the connector settings. This may include entering authentication details or adjusting parameters. Once you have filled in all necessary information, click Connect. Looker Studio will now attempt to establish a connection with the chosen data source. If successful, you will see a preview of the data that will be imported. Review the data to ensure it meets your requirements. After confirming the data, click Add to Report to include this connector in your existing dashboard. Navigate back to your report where you want to utilize the new data source. Now, you can create visualizations using the data retrieved by the community connector. Adjust charts and tables as needed to accurately represent your information. Save your report once you are satisfied with the visualizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.